Hello, everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. WACHOW. Today is a special day. I am here at the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando, and we are one sleep away from the grand opening of the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. It's out there somewhere because I'm staying on site so I could be there as early as possible for the day that we have all been waiting for. I'm very, very excited to be here. Grand opening days are so much fun. There is so much energy in the theme parks when you come to a ride on its grand opening day. Like Rise of the Resistance was awesome, Hagrid's was awesome, and I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be really awesome too. I am gonna put my alarm for, 4 o'clock in the morning. And I'm literally I've packed so light. I literally have just that backpack over there. These clothes that I'm wearing now are the same clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow morning. I'm hoping if everything goes well, this will be like an in and out mission. I just get there super early and then I can leave pretty early in the morning as well. So I'm excited to go to the park tomorrow. I gotta get to bed soon. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. This is literally my theme park grand opening crash kit. All I have for food is one little espresso here and then some Pop-Tarts from Trader Joe's. All right, I gotta go to sleep now, for real. I'll see you guys at 4 o'clock in the morning. Bye-bye. It's time for the VelociCoaster. Ooh. Let's go. This is the Hard Rock Hotel at 4:30 a.m. We are not alone. There are already 2 groups of people waiting for the VelociCoaster, but hey, you know what? 2 groups is better than 20. Okay, here comes the sun. Let's see, 6:20 now. They've still not opened the gates here at the Hard Rock, but the sun is out. I feel a little better, and the line is only getting longer, so I'm very happy that I got here when I did. All right, here we go. We're in, and to make things interesting, they've actually blocked off the path to Islands of Adventure from here, which really makes things a little bit more difficult because now we got to run this way over here, and there are already people coming through the parking garage. Curveballs are universal, right? Now we gotta run. Let's go. I see a whole bunch of people here already. All this Universal, you frustrate me sometimes, but I love it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. That is the first clump of people over there. Look at him go. Hey! The line is pretty steady. People coming in all around from over there. Got people over here running. Everyone's got to get their piece of the VelociCoaster today. Me, I just need a good spot for whatever show or ceremony is going to happen. I know this is a good amount of people. I'll get on VelociCoaster at a reasonable time. I just want to see whatever's going to happen at the front, right? Woo! Look at him go. Oh man. Well, it seems like they definitely got this a little bit more figured out than Hagrid's. I think I did make it into the first batch of people because they stopped the line right over here. How you doing, Owen Grady? They've got a whole another group of people waiting right over here. Oh man, made the cut for now. Yeah, for now. All right, it's showtime. It is, what is it? 7:46. They're opening the gates. Oh, people are straight running. Gosh, seriously? She's a runner, she's a track star. She gonna run to VelociCoaster when things get hard. I got delayed at the ticket line, and now we're going. Big chunk of people. Oh my goodness, ay caramba. Never a dull moment with these grand openings. See, isn't this exciting? Isn't this what you want to do on your vacation when you plan your trip to the grand opening of VelociCoaster? Don't you want to run through the park? It's definitely a memorable experience. Hagrid's team members are probably very happy that all these people are running in that direction. Oh, we do have some people riding Hagrid's. I think that's the only group of people getting on Hagrid's motorbike adventure right now. Good for them. We're gonna go to VelociCoaster. Almost there. Bro, not even, there's still a whole good chunk of people over here. Oh my gosh. Maybe, just maybe, we didn't make the cut for the ceremony or the show or whatever they're gonna do. Who knows? It'd be very unfortunate if we didn't. We're getting moved up towards the VelociCoaster. We're seeing some progress. There is a little bit of a longer queue. I'm very grateful for the spot that I'm in right now. Okay, this is a good sign. This is a good sign. I mean, it's literally a good sign. This is hot set. Due to a live production of the Today Show, VelociCoaster is going to be paused until 10 a.m. Oh, I think we made it. We're going in. Oh, they got a whole little setup. They've got some food here. I guess they're taping for the Today Show. They're going to do a little something over here. They've pulled some guests right over here. They got a whole crew of film and executive types all hanging out. Here comes the VelociCoaster. How fun. Now I'm trying to figure out whether or not I want to like hang around for whatever filming's going on over there, or if I actually want to get in line for the VelociCoaster. I don't know. I'm having a little bit of a dilemma right now. Quite the queue of people. There's Kenan Thompson over there doing some filming with some of the people from the Today Show, getting ready for a shoot with the VelociCoaster in the background. That's pretty awesome. They're filming Today Show stuff behind me over here, and I think they've like stopped letting people into this particular area for now. So me kind of going back and forth trying to figure out what's going on. I have now put myself in the back of the line for VelociCoaster, which is fine. I've been on the ride before, but I don't think there's going to be like an actual like special "oh, the ride is open" kind of thing happening today. Just filming around the VelociCoaster. Oh well, we'll see what happens though. We're going to line and we'll kind of hang around here and just see what it's like to be here on opening day.
8:30 now on a Thursday morning, or as I like to call it, Friday Eve. Wow! SG and with that classic Jurassic.
That looks holding Carrie's man purse. This fanny pack looks exhilarating to me. And if you're planning a trip to a theme park or the beach.
I don't know if you can see, but all the way up there, I'm pretty sure that's the team that worked on VelociCoaster, admiring their hard work. It has all paid off. Today is the day that guests get to officially enjoy the VelociCoaster. There they are, the first riders of the VelociCoaster on opening day. Oh, here they come, here they come. Let's go see their happy, happy faces. Look at all those happy people. Oh. There's the next batch of people waiting to get in, all the way down over there. This line moves pretty consistently, which is nice. It's nice because I'm not expecting this to be like on the level of crazy as Hagrid's was. This already seems to be running a lot smoother.
More speed. More heights. More teeth.
And here at Jurassic World, we've got teeth. Welcome to the VelociCoaster.
How cool is that? So cool. These raptors are so impressive. I love when it shakes like that. Okay, so we got to the lockers pretty darn fast. So you know the drill at this point. I gotta put this away and then get ready for the ride. Look at all these happy people coming back. These are the first batch of riders for the opening day of VelociCoaster. How cool is that? They gave me permission to come up here and see the platform and just get the people getting excited and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. I'm very grateful for that opportunity. And also you get to see this really cool window that you normally don't get to see because people have to put their cameras away at this point. Look at this, ready? Oh, so cool. And then you can kind of see them launch over here. Here they go for the big launch. They're gonna pass through really quick. Out in that direction. that was cool. I'm glad I got to go up there and check that out. Now I'm gonna put my bag away and get ready to ride the VelociCoaster on opening day. See you in a bit. What a thrill. VelociCoaster, gotta love it. I think I have a new favorite. The back row is where it's at. The back row was awesome. I think I like the back row a little bit more than the front row, which is saying something because I'm usually a front row guy for launch roller coasters. But the back row, you just go over that hill and that drop, you like, it like tries to fling you off. That was great. Oh my gosh, and they're handing out churros to celebrate the VelociCoaster. Thank you so much, that's so funny. Churro, VelociCoaster. Life's pretty good right now. I wonder what the situation is outside. I wonder if there's like a really, really long line or something. The crowd control is in place for VelociCoaster. They got the queue spread out all through Jurassic Park. They got people waiting over here. They got people waiting over there. There it is, gang. The entrance to the queue. 180 minutes for the VelociCoaster. 3 hours is a lot of time, but compared to some other openings that we've had here at the park, I think 3 hours is a lot better than 10 hours. This was a pretty successful opening, and the ride seems to be moving pretty okay. There were a couple of stops when I was there because they were going to do stops for like the Today Show production until 10 a.m., but now it's past 10 a.m., and people are breezing through the queue, and VelociCoaster has been really, really reliable. Like, it being open for an entire month has helped it out quite a bit, and now we have a smooth, pretty successful, soft opening. It's just a really hot day. It's like a really hot day. So if you are going to try to wait for VelociCoaster in these next couple days, if you kind of want to ride the hype train as it is now officially open here, you need to bring water. You need to bring suntan, you need to bring hats, because holy moly, it is like so hot here in Orlando right now. It is like 95 degrees today, and it's going to stay that way throughout all of summer. But you know what? I'm very, very happy I came here today. I'm happy I had this experience. This is awesome. This is great. This worked out so well. You get to experience the highs and lows, the drama of grand opening days, but ultimately it was a good time. You know, it was a little hot. I think I got into the park at 8 o'clock. It's 10 a.m. now. Like, it was a 2-hour affair for me, which is really, really great. And like, it seems like it's gonna go by pretty well, so I'm excited. I think obviously VelociCoaster is a big deal for a lot of people because it is such a awesome, well done roller coaster. Like, I feel like only a small amount of rides really live up to that hype 100%. And like, every single person I know who has done VelociCoaster has loved it. It's also just like, I don't know, like, this is like the first major attraction to open since the pandemic, and I don't know, it's nice to like really see a sense of normalcy. Like, look at this line all full of people happy to be here. It feels like how things used to be, and I hope we are back into the swing of things, and I don't know, it's pretty great. You know what I mean. I'm very happy to be here, and I'm glad I got to experience this. I'm gonna get out of here because I want to put this video out as soon as possible so you guys can see what it was like to be here. Thank you guys for watching. VincentVision, of course. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of my videos. You gotta come ride VelociCoaster. It's gonna be pretty darn busy, and maybe in these next couple days I'll try to come back here and like see what it's like on not opening day. I would expect it to be busy pretty much for forever, right? I bet Hagrid is really happy about that, right? Oh, Hagrid is like, oh, thank gosh. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love that churro. Thank you for the churro Universal. Thank you for letting me ride VelociCoaster, and I will see you guys when I see ya. Enjoy VelociCoaster, guys. Happy grand opening. Bye-bye.
Wow! Wow!